What is going on, everybody? This is Tim Odell with Odell Complete Concrete, and this is going to be a multi-part series on this large backyard remodel that I did. But it's not going to be the typical backyard remodel that we would normally complete, because this was not a completed project. And this was one of the worst projects I've ever done. So this wasn't one of the worst projects I ever did because of the outcome of the work, but because of who I had to deal with. And it's actually funny because I did take my dad, David Odell, to this job bid, and this was a long time ago. I did this project this year, but I went out on this bid about 2 years ago. And the homeowner finally reached back out to me to confirm that she wanted to do this job. But when I did go out on this job bid 2 years ago with my dad, with his experience in dealing with customers, he has a very good read on people. And the first thing my dad says to me as soon as we left this bid was, "Son, don't do this job. It's going to be a nightmare." I didn't believe him. I thought this job was a home run. Easy backyard remodel. No way am I going to drop the ball on this one. But now thinking back, there were some telling signs that I probably should have paid attention more to when we were there at the initial estimate. Basically, when we got there, she didn't know really what she wanted. She had multiple designers come out to this job and give her designs. And then even when she finally did decide on the design she liked the most, she would start to second guess every step of the way on the project and even start to change the design, which ultimately led to this project's failure. And you guys will see as we go through this whole build series what I mean by that, so make sure you stay tuned for all parts. Other than that, let's just get right into this project and start going over all the detail and what we plan on doing back here. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look right here. Oh. Yep. So see, here's the paver area, here's the planter bed. So here's a good overall view of what the design is showing. It's a pretty basic design, and it's crazy how such a simple design could have got so complicated. It was just a sod area, pavers, a planar wall that wrapped around the whole back, and then new concrete where the existing concrete was, with a newly built patio cover as well. The existing wood patio cover was completely rotted, and we were just going to be replacing it. Man, that stuff is so marshy. Yeah. Just getting stuck in there. Yeah, it's wet dirt. That's why. It's making it a lot more difficult, that's for sure. So not only was I going to have a hard time with the homeowner, the soil conditions in this area were terrible. This location happened to be in Huntington Beach, and it was in the wetlands of Huntington Beach, so the soil was very swampy. So whenever I tried to pry or lift anything in that backyard up, I would just sink down into the mud. And this becomes a big problem later on. Alright, so we're back here on this job. We kind of got stuck in the mud last time we were here, and we couldn't really get the skid steer to do any work for us, so we had to call it for a week, let this dry out. Hopefully you guys can see now this stuff is pretty hard. Hopefully there's no more really hardcore wet spots underneath any of this clay. It's like pretty much like quicksand once it's really oversaturated. So yeah, we had to just give it a week to dry out before we can come back. So now that we're finally back, we can get the rest of this planter bed out, get the deck out, get the patio cover out, and really start from ground zero. Maybe just two-man it. So like I was saying, on the very first demo day, I had to call it, take the skid steer back to the rental yard because this soil was just way too saturated, and I was fearing that something bad would happen to the skid steer, like a track popping off or just getting stuck in the mud. Well, I started sinking and the tire came off. So we gotta wait for a technician to come out, put this baby back on. Lunchtime. So yeah, my fears came to reality. So while we were waiting for the technician to come out, we pretty much just started doing everything by hand. We actually made good use of our time and even took a lunch. Alright, so we're still waiting for the technician to come on, show up so we can get that track back on. But as we're taking out this patio cover, look how badly termited. Oh my god, just feeling it. It's sticky. Look how bad that is. Oh my god, look at the moisture in that thing. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's the problem with wood patio covers. Right, Shane?
Oh yeah.
Right, Jimmy?
Yes. Yes.
I guess it's not that bad if he's doing pull-ups.
It's not that.
But this thing is pretty rotted in some areas, like this rafter right here. Wow, look at that. So as we were just taking down that patio cover, the technician arrived. Okay. Yeah, the dirt is just so soft. I just sunk in this one spot. Actually, I had the skid steer out here last week and it was insanely soft. So I had to return it same day. And I was like, okay, I'll give it a week. And then, you know, I came back today and lo and behold, I got stuck. You like need all of this here cleared out, right?
Yes, I need to get the jack under here.
Gotcha. Okay. So I gotta carry a 22-ton jack on me next time.
20. That's a heavy duty.
Yeah.
22 tons.
How much do these things weigh? Like 2,500?
Yeah, about.
Yeah.
They really weigh that much? 2,500 pounds?
Yeah. I think so. They're pretty heavy. Alright, hopefully we got enough. Oh yeah. What do you think? Is that gonna be good?
Yeah.
So you take that bolt off and it retracts the whole.
You take off this little plate that's holding that socket, that bolt. That's pretty much a long bolt that holds that in this.
Oh.
So yeah, pretty sure you tighten it and it brings it in.
Oh, so you take this plate off, then you start tightening it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and then it pulls it. Okay, and that way you can put the track on, and
then you
loosen it
just
up.
loosen. Okay.
So this one's pretty much holding that big bolt, the 1.5 inch.
Oh, I see. Okay.
See it pull
Yeah,
in.
you'll see it going. This is all one piece, so you'll see it going in or out.
Oh,
See,
okay.
and then it pulls out to tighten on the track.
I can't even tell.
It don't look like it's moving yet.
Yeah.
There it is. Keep going. Oh, there it is. Keep going. Oh, so close.
We got her. We got her back to the operational. So it's never fun or a good time when the skidster goes down, especially when you have so many things planned around the skidster for demo days. Without the skidster, basically you're stuck in your tracks, literally. No pun intended. But when you got bins being ordered, lots of labor on site, and your skidster is stalled, it's an expensive day and it's an expensive waste. Luckily, the rental company I use, F&B, shout out to them, were able to come out same day and get the skidster track back on before or right after lunch. So I still about had a half day, and then I had to rent. They actually gave me another free day as well, which is really cool. So yeah, shout out to F&B for hooking me up. Now I do know for the future though what type of tools I should carry on me, especially when I am doing demo days and I'm dealing with these type of soil conditions. Okay, so we are starting the drain prep work, and what we have done so far is we have stakes marked out in all the drain locations. This is the middle of the pavers, and then for the concrete area we got 3 drains going to be going in. You can see a drain right behind Jimmy going ham on that pickaxe. How's that clay feeling?
Soft.
Oh yeah. It's soft in some areas, hard in the others.
Yeah. Yeah, check this out. Look.
Yeah.
That's straight up clay.
It's hard too. This is hard. Ugh.
It's got color to it.
Pretty.
Paint.
Pretty. So we got 3 drains in the concrete area, and that should be plenty for the whole area right here. And then we're just gonna dig the drains all the way right from the pavers to the concrete and out to this area where there is an existing drain we're gonna tap into right there. So hopefully we have enough slope from all the way back there to here, and we don't have to do anything crazy, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Dig it out.
So today is basically just digging out the drains, getting all the drains established in this backyard. We're mainly just going to be having drains in the concrete and paver areas. And then I actually do have Matt from Sierra Build Co. out here helping us dig these drains. I'm gonna use that one.
I'm sticking up.
Actually, I will pick, dude. I like picking more. You want to dig?
Really?
Yeah, I like picking.
Let's try it.
I'll pick. I love picking.
He's like, you need to smash.
Well, I mean, it's not gonna like dig as
Use the trencher.
This looks like a brand new pick.
It's brand new. Yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, we're breaking it in for you.
You need a new shovel, dude? It's a square.
You want to just go behind me, Shane?
Yeah.
I'll make it soft for you. We don't want this area to be too deep though, guys.
No, we gotta start.
Well,
not
actually,
deep, right? I'm trying to save like a little
yeah,
bit.
stay
so
low
that
because
way
we're gonna have to
every-
get deeper and
every
deeper.
8 feet is 1 inch.
That's right, Shane. That's right.
We're only gonna get deeper.
Yeah.
Say if it needs soldering, I don't know.
Yeah, I hate soldering. Every time I solder, I mess it up, and then every
He
time.
loves it.
Oh yeah.
He likes buying those kits and
I've never done it.
trying.
Oh, it's not fun.
Yeah, I stay away from it. I see copyright running with.
Jesus.
We tried in-house soldering last time. Not the best job, so I had to call a plumber out, spend double the money.
Oh yeah. That's all me.
Yeah, Shane hit the copper pipe. Actually got it on video, dude. It's freaking
So hard in the face. It was right in my face.
jackhammer.
Oh, Jack.
We were demoing
Yeah.
concrete, and there was like it was like above the surface or something.
Yeah.
Like, boom! I hit it.
He was
and went,
soaked.
Oh, I was soaked all day.
Dude, the PSI of,
Yeah.
of the hose can actually be quite a bit sometimes.
Dude, it actually hurt. It slapped me in the face. It woke me up.
Diamond turf job. Did you see that one?
Okay, I think I just saw. Yeah.
Yeah, Tyler actually made a good reel for me.
Oh, nice.
Hey, you better make me look good. My family's watching. I ain't joking.
I'm gonna try.
Hey, Joe.
Oh, actually, I do have you at the beginning.
You're gonna be like, Shane.
I got a funny clip of Jimmy too, though.
Yeah, we all mess up. Yeah.
What's that? Shane? Shane?
What?
Your family. Has Shane's family seen the videos?
Yeah, my dad subscribes, and then my other fans.
Do they actually watch them? Have they commented? Or is
You know
that...
Perry, and you know my uncle?
Oh, yeah.
He's all into it. He said he been watching, so
Oh,
try
yeah.
to show him. And,
Matt's gonna be in this video.
hey, dude, that's cool.
Hey, shout out to Sierra Pool. Everybody, go check him out.
That's
Awesome
right.
pool contractor.
That's right. Yeah.
So we're basically to the end of this trench, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to stub up all my drain lines above grade so that later on I can get the exact height of my drains that I need and then just cut them later on. And we try to maintain about 1 to 2% slope on our drains all the way until we got to that final connection point that will be in the planter bed. And since we're going to be doing concrete slabs all separated with paver borders going around all the concrete slabs, which actually was a change to the design, one of many changes, we still wanted to make sure that all those drains landed center of all the slabs.
Okay, let's go to the next one. So right on center. Okay. Pass me the saw and a teeth. All right. I better get this on film real quick. Jimmy's back is broken right now. Let's see if Shane can fix it.
together, that's the best way. Yeah, like try to squeeze my elbows together. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You gotta drop them.
Yeah.
You gotta drop them so that it cracks.
Oh, there it is.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got some good ones in there. Oh, I got his top and long.
Hey, try to crack my back real quick. Crack my back.
I'm the one with the back. That's gonna be a heavier lift right there.
Oh! Dude, did you hear that?
I got you.
Did you hear all those? I was like,
Yeah.
So that basically wraps up the first part of this build series, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next few parts in this build series as we take you along on the planter wall build, the concrete, pavers, and the patio cover. So thank you guys all for watching, and make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, comment any questions you guys may have, and we'll see you guys on the next video.